Welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video, let us going to discuss 10, 11, 12 problems in exercise 8.4 in similar triangles. Right? Next 10th question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Right? In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. So according to the problem, first draw an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle ABC. Next, D is a point. D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC and draw an altitude in triangle ABC. Altitude or median or everything, this is same only na in equilateral triangle. Yes. So DE. E is the point on BC. A is the altitude. Right? Yes. First given. What has given? In triangle. In equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Right? Next, RTP. What we have to prove? 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Proof. Draw an altitude on BC. Draw an altitude on BC. An altitude means BC. That implies AE perpendicular to BC. AE is perpendicular to BC. Next, take here BE is equal to what? Half of BC, right? BE is equal to half of BC. Why? Because of it is altitude means in equilateral triangle that is also a median. That is a median. So then BE is equal to half BC. Right? Next, DE. DE is equal to what? DE is equal to BE minus BD, right? DE is equal to BE minus BD. Yes. Here BE is equal to half BC na. So BC by 2 minus BD is equal to what has given? BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Which means BC by 3. That is equal to LCM is the 6. 3 BC minus 2 BC. That is equal to BC by 6. What is this? DE. DE is equal to BC by 6 we got. Right? Yes. Look here next. In triangle AEB. In triangle AEB. AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square, right? In triangle AEB, AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. So this is equation number 1. Say. Next, in triangle AED. Yes, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. By Pythagoras theorems, I have written like this 2. So 1 minus 2 gives here. 1 minus 2 gives AB square minus AD square. AB square minus AD square is equal to, look here, AE square plus BE square minus AE square minus DE square, right? So A square get cancelled. That is BE square minus DE square. BE square minus DE square. Here BE is equal to what? BE is equal to BC by 2. BC by 2 minus DE means, yes, BC by 6 we got, right? BE is equal to half BC. DE is equal to BC by 6. We got na? So what is the LCM? Squares, no? Squares we will do. So this is BC square by 4 minus BC square by, yes, 36. What is this? AB square minus AD square. Next, look here. So this is the AB square. AB square minus AD square is equal to, LCM is 36. 4 in 36, 9 times, no? 9 BC square minus BC square. So that is equal to 8 BC square by 36. Here 4 2s are 4 9s are. That is equal to 2 BC square by 9. Here 9 transferred to this side. Why? Because of AB square minus AD square. No, this is 9 transferred to this side. 9 into AB square, 9 AB square minus 9 into AD square, 9 AD square is equal to 2 BC square. Right? So we have to find what we have to prove. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square na. So this transferred to this side and this transferred to this side. That implies 9 AD square is equal to 9 AB square minus 2 BC square. 9 AD square is equal to 9 AB square minus 2 BC square. So that is equal to 9 AB square minus 2 BC. Here AB, BC and CA all are equal. All the sides are equal in an equilateral triangle. That's why in the place of BC square, shall we substitute AB square? Yes, right. AB square, 2AB square, 9AB square minus 2AB square is 7AB square. So 9AD square is equal to, see, 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. We got or not? Yes, exactly. So hence proved. Have you understood? Yes. Okay, 11th problem. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle, right angle at B. D and E are the points on BC, trisect it. Prove that 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, and D and E are the points on BC, trisect it. Trisect it means BD is equal to DE is equal to EC. Right? Then what we have to prove? 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Let us prove. Yes. Given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Next, D and E are points on BC, trisect it, which means that implies BD is equal to DE is equal to EC, right? Yes, RTP. RTP is 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Right? Yes, proof. Let us see. Look here. Let BD is equal to X take. BD is equal to X. Then BD is equal to A take, small a. Then DE is also equal to small a. EC is also equal to small a, right? Then BE is equal to 2A and BC is equal to 3A. Right. Let BD is equal to DE is equal to EC is equal to A, small a. Take, that implies BE is equal to 2A and BC is equal to 3A. Right? Yes. In triangle ABD, by Pythagoras principle, AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square, right? So that is equal to AB square plus BD square means A square. BD means A only na? Yes. Next, in the same way, in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, by Pythagoras principle, AE square is equal to AB square plus S what? BE square. BE square, that is equal to AB square plus BE means 2A only na? BE is equal to 2A whole square, that is AB square plus 4A square. This is AE square. Right? Yes. In the same way, in triangle ABC by Pythagoras principle, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AB square plus BC means 3A whole square, that is AB square plus 9A square AC square is equal to, isn't it? So here AD square is equal to AB square plus small a square. Here AE square is equal to AB square plus 4A square. Here AC square is equal to AB square plus 9A square. Why? Because of we have taken a small a as the side, BD is equal to DE is equal to EC. That's why. Now take here, see 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Na? Take this one, RHS take 3AC square plus 5AD square. 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to 3 into AC. AC means this only na, AB square plus 9A square plus 5 into AD means, here see AD means AB square plus small a square. AB square plus small a square. 3AB is 3AB square plus 3 9s are 27A square plus 5AB square plus 5A square. So that is equal to 3AB square plus 3AB square plus 5AB square, 8AB square plus this is 27 plus 5, yes, 32A square. 32A square. Look here, 8 if you do common, AB square plus 4 8 ja 32 na, 4A square. Right, 8 into AB square plus 4A, how can you write 2A whole square na? 2A whole square. Right, that is equal to 8 into AB square plus 2A means, here 2A means what we have taken? Look here, 2A, BE or not? Yes, BE square. BE square. AB square plus BE square means, AB square plus BE square means AE square or not? See, AB square plus BE square, that is AE square. That is equal to 8 into AE square by, since Pythagoras theorem. Right? Yes. So therefore, what we have taken, 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to 8AE square, came or not? Yes, exactly. Therefore, 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Hence, proved. Have you got it? Yes. Okay, this is the final question in the exercise 8.4 and similar triangles also. Yes, what is that? See, ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angled at B. Equilateral triangles ACD and ABE are constructed on sides AC and AB. Find the ratio between areas of triangle ABC and triangle ACD. ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle, has given angle B is equal to 90 degrees here. Next, on the sides AB and AC, two equilateral triangles have constructed. Those are ABE and ACD. Right? Yes, what we have to find? The ratio of the areas of these two equilateral triangles. Right? Yes. Let us find. Yeah. Look here. In the data itself, what has given? Given in isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC and angle B is equal to 90 degrees, right? Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Next, triangle ABE and triangle ACD are equilateral triangles, right? Equilateral triangles. Next, look here. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras principle or theorem. Look here, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? Yes. See, AB square plus here BC means AB is equal to BC already given because of isosceles triangle. In the place of BC, shall we substitute AB? Yes, that is AB square. That is equal to 2AB square. AC square is equal to 2AB square we got. Yes, look here. And also given triangle ABE similar to triangle ACD. Triangle ABE similar to triangle ACD. In two similar triangles, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, right? If the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of any two corresponding sides, isn't it? So therefore area of triangle ABE by area of triangle ACD is equal to corresponding sides means here AB square, the squares of the ratio of the squares of corresponding sides, no? That's why here AB I have taken, here AC square. So that is equal to AB square by AC square means, see, AC square means we got 2AB square, na? So in the place of AC square substitute this one, 2AB square. Here AB square get cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equal to 1:2, right? Therefore area of triangle ABE is to area of triangle ACD is equal to 1:2. Have you got it? Okay friends, yes. If you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.